Afternoon. Assuming the phone here decides it wants to clear up, and I can't even see that neither. Yes, it is true. I'm the original 1A top mod tuner in the Forza games. I'm currently actually... Oop, don't want to show you that. Well, at least not yet. But yeah, that's me, alright. I just got done working on another car today. Now, I'm not going to be putting everything on here. There's way too many to list. I'm marking it as under because it's under class. I might say that. The top end's a little bit more better than normal. My goal is to actually bring up these lower class cars, specialty being DNC class. Bring them up to be better than their 100% stock versions. Sorry for that quick flip. Yep. And yes, it's modified. See, nothing stock at all about it. Oops, don't want to do that yet. No, I'll have to delete that later. Oh well. Alright, well you guys have a good day. Bye.